Hello campers and RVers, I just got done emptying my tanks, both the black and gray water tanks. After I get done emptying the tanks, I always come in and put water in both my sinks, the kitchen sink and the bathroom sink, and then also the toilet. After I add in water so that the tanks aren't completely dry, I add in this Tank Tech RX probiotic boat tank treatment. And this is what I've been using since I purchased my RV, and my first bottle came from the Airstream store, and now I order it off of Amazon. I open up the cap and put a capful in, or maybe two capfuls in both the toilet and both of the sinks, and that keeps all of the odors at bay and never have an issue with problems in the RV. This stuff is very effective, and it is a probiotic, and I keep it in the storage place, and right after I empty the tanks I go ahead and put a capful in. So I hope this information was helpful, and thanks for watching.